Monese, how to open account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can open up a Monese account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to open up a Monese account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch your Monese mobile money account app over here. Once you have done that, by the way, if you already have an account, you can directly tap the login option that you can find over here, and then just make sure to enter your email and whatever else, and then just tap the login option. But if you don't have an account, just tap the sign up option, as we are trying to create an account here. It will ask you to simply enter your email address, so make sure you go ahead and then do that. After that, you can select a region as to where you live, and after you've done that, you can enter an invitation code, agree to these terms and conditions, tap on the get started option. Once you do this process, it's going to send a verification code to your email. So you can open up your email here and then just go ahead and then confirm the email address that you received by tapping on confirm my email option. Once you do this, you can enter other details such as creating a passcode and so on, and your account on Monese will get successfully created. This way you can open up a Monese account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.